We're 6 months into 2025, and how is the real estate market in Mississauga actually behaving? Is it what we thought it would be? Is it good? Is it bad? I mean, it really depends who you're asking. If you're asking us realtors, they're probably going to say, oh, it's a horrible market. But if you're asking some buyers, they might say it's a great market. And sellers might say it's a not so great market either. So what I'm going to do today is break down the numbers for 2025, 6 months in, for the overall Mississauga market. And then I want to look into three segments of the market more specifically, which would be the condo townhouse market, the condo apartment market, and then the detached market, and see how each of those are behaving 6 months in to 2025. I'm Athar Jaffrey. I've been selling real estate in Mississauga, in Toronto, and the GTA for more than 20 years, and my goal is really just to make the buying and selling process simple. So let's get right into it. Okay, so this is the market report for June 2025 for Mississauga for all types of homes, and we'll look at a few of these key stats. Over here. The first one is the median price. So the median price, it's actually gone up month over month from this time, from last month to this month by 0.7%, so very negligible. But year over year, it is down 3.5%. This is the overall Mississauga market. Okay. And then we're going to go look at new listings volume. So new listings are actually down for the overall market in Mississauga from this time, from the prior month over month. But it's up still from year over year by 14%. So that's a pretty big, significant increase in number of listings from this time last year. And then I want to look at the number of sales above list price is 20%. And it's up 1.9%. So more listings are being sold above the asking price month over month. But year over year, it is down 7.9%. And then the median days on market, it has gone up by 1 day from month over month, but it has gone up by 31% year over year. Okay, so now I want to break it down a little bit, and let's go together and look at detached homes in Mississauga. Okay, so now for detached homes, month over month, the price has gone up a little bit, 0.6%. Median sale price year over year is still down 3.5%. And then percent above list price is down 14%. So less detached homes are selling above the list price month over month, and it's down 11% year over year. And then we have median days on market is up by 1 day, but it is still up by 1 day month over month, and it's up 35% year over year. But look at this, the termination volume. So a lot of people are still are still terminating their listings at the original sale price, or whatever it may be. Maybe it's been sitting on the market for too long, and they're terminating it. So terminations month over month has gone up 13%. But look at this, year over year, it is up 56% for detached homes. So they're not finding the sweet spot the first time around. They have to list it, cancel it, relist it, cancel it, relist it until they actually get it sold. So this is a big number. Terminated listings is up 56% in detached homes. So now let's go to condo townhouse first. And I'm a big advocate for condo townhouses. They're very good starter homes, very affordable, good entry-level properties that give you all the characteristics that detached homes have in general as well, like backyard, front yard, garage, basement, all of that good stuff. Okay, so here you look at the selected month compared to the prior month for the median price, and it is month over month, it is up 0.6%, but it is down 6% year over year for condo townhouses. And how many are selling above list price? 25%. That is up 4.7% month over month, but down 3.9% month over month. And then the days on market, it's actually taking a little bit longer, 21 days, compared to year over year, which is up 10.5%. Termination volume. So same thing here. More listings are getting terminated than the prior month, and it is up 48% year over year. Okay, so now let's look at condo apartments. We know that market has been struggling quite a bit. All right. So although detached and condo townhouses, they were up 0.6%, you can see that condo apartments, they actually went down 5% month over month, and they are down 13% year over year. That's the median sale price. Now, let's look at how many are really selling above the asking price. There still are some. It is up 8.3% and still down 4.7% from this time last year. I mean, this stat I don't really worry about too much because you could price it at $1 and get it sold, which, you know, you do see listings priced at $1. So it's good to know it, but it's not very indicative of the market itself. Okay, so now we're at median days on market. That's jumped up by 4 days month over month to up 16.7%, and it's up 24% year over year. And then we have termination volume, relatively it's the same month over month, but it is up 35% year over year. So this is the market snapshot. Clearly the condos, they are still struggling. They're down 13.6% from this time last year. But detached and townhouses month over month, they have crept up a little bit. So is this a good time for you to actually get into one of those options? Could be. We just got to wait and see, really, to be honest. I do want to show you guys available inventory in Mississauga. So right now, 36% of the available inventory is detached homes, 35% is condo apartments. So let's see how many detached there are. There are, let's see, 917 detached homes for sale currently. There are 887 condo apartments. Condo townhouses, there are 384. And semi-detached 8.3%, attached row townhouses, that's freehold townhouses 2.6%, etc. Okay, the price point with the most listings is between 500,000 and 600,000. That's obviously the condo market, but then you see a lot here as well in the million up to 1.5 million put together. There's almost 600 there. That's the detached market. Which has been faring pretty well, as we saw. It's the price is creeping up just a little bit month over month, but that's only month over month. The bigger stat is year over year. So I hope this helps you guys make a decision or just understand and learn more about what's actually happening in the market. As realtors, we see this, we feel it, sellers feel it, but buyers, they can really have a good time in this market, negotiating, lowballing to some extent, and scoring some good deals. So if you need help maneuvering in this market, feel free to reach out to me. My phone number, my direct line is 647-208-9724. And there's a contact form below. If you fill it out, someone from my team or myself will get back to you. You know, there's no harm in trying to learn more about your options, and that's my goal with this channel, just trying to make buying and selling simple.